Hello and welcome to my channel. Elegance makes life healthy and beautiful. A password is a word or string of characters used for user authentication to prove identity. Password protect a document. You can protect a document by using a password. It can also help to prevent unauthorized access. Almost every service need to set up a separate username and password. If you have to work on computer, then you have to manage as many as 100 or more passwords. Researchers estimate that half of us use weak passwords and other half reuse fewer passwords across all over online accounts. Simple, unsafe and easy to remember passwords are easy to break. When we reuse the same password, cyber criminals harvest password from services that have been breached and then use automated tools to determine what other services this password will unlock. For that reason, it is essential to use a separate, unique and strong password for each different online account. Then you need a safe way to record and access these passwords, or you have to make a trick to remember these passwords. Otherwise, you will not be able to again access to your accounts. So what can you do? Password Manager. Password Manager will enhance your safety and make your online life easier. Most password managers have paid and free version of their software. They also offer two-step verification security. The free versions usually work only on one device and paid version covers all your devices like computer, smartphone, tablets, etc. Some options are Dashlane. Its paid version Dashlane Premium costs $59.88 per year and covers all your devices, and free version works only one device. LastPass. It has also two versions. LastPass Premium costs $36 per year and can be used on unlimited number of devices. 1Password, iCloud, Keychain, KeePass, all these are password managers. Create the encrypted pocketbook of passwords. The encrypted pocketbook of passwords is a physical password journal that uses secret keys. So, even if the book is stolen, the thief would not be able to guess your password unless he or she knew your secret keys. This book conveys each account of any value must have a unique and separate password. It is okay to write down most of each passwords as long as you don't write enough to each one that the missing piece can be guessed. You also need to keep any written information as secure as possible. Most thieves knew that passwords are usually written down and kept within 3 feet of the device. So you should be aware and keep any physical journal as hidden as possible. I also recommended keeping 2 journals. So if one is stolen or missing, the backup can be used to recover and change the passwords. Create goal setting passwords. Goal setting password strategy creates a strong but memorable password that works very well when you needed to change your password regularly. Not only will this method help you remember your password, but every time you type it, you will reinforce your goal too. For example, lift weight twice a week, like this, and eat more fruits and vegetables, like this. Mnemonic passwords. Mnemonic is an idea, a pattern of letters or association that assist in remembering something. Recall that when you are a student, you will use this method to remember things like the color of the spectrum, order of the element in periodic table. If you can remember these catchy phrases, you can recall a strong password. To start, you first need to pick a phrase, lyrics from a favorite song, a line from a poem or prayer, or any phrase you can remember. Let's say you pick the poem Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, How I Wonder What You Are. You take the first letter from each word in the phrase and get this. It is a stronger password than 1 2 3 4 5 6, but you have to need to add some strength by adding some special character, symbols, numerics, uppercase letters, and this will become that. Now you have a password that's tough for hackers to break, but still easy to remember. Another tip for password. Long passwords that use random words are stronger than using 8 to 12 characters. That includes a lots of random characters. For example, as a password could be cracked within a few minutes, but this as a password would take days or even weeks to crack due to its length. So, create strong, unique and long password for your every online accesses. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be coming back with my next video very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.